How you guys doing today? My name is Issa. Welcome to Sunnah Aroma Academy. This is lesson 67, which is finding the right incense. All right, lesson 67, which is finding the right incense. So, how can a person who sells oils and incense find the right incense? Well, one of the things that I like to do personally myself is you can take any fragrance and you can make it into the incense. But just because you're making it to the incense doesn't mean that it's actually going to smell good. So one of the things that I like to do is I pretty much like to visualize how I think it would smell if I burn it. Like, for example, Izmiyaki Blue is just not a fragrance that I would make in an incense because I don't see it smelling good at all. So, like, for example, something like patchouli, I can visualize that. Amber, I can visualize that. Red Egyptian musk, I can visualize that. And so after you visualize what you think that it may smell like, actually make the incense. Actually make the incense. And I'm going to tell you another thing. Just because it's not sufficient for it to smell good on the outside. Alright? It can smell good on the outside. But you really get to know how the incense smells when you actually burn it. Alright? So when you actually burn the incense, that's when it lets you know how the incense actually smells. All right. So when you make the incense, wait till it dries, and then you actually burn it. Once you burn it, this is a technique that I like to use. I burn that incense for the whole day. If at least three customers. They say, you know what, the incense smells real good. Or what is that burning over there? How you doing, sir?
All right.
If they say the incense smells real nice, what flavor is that? Or that smells really good. What is that you got burning? If they say any of those, then what happens is I'm going to make sure I make the incense again. And that, for me, I chose the incense. Because if people, if they request it, that means that they like it. If they like it, that means I need to sell it. If I sell it, that means what? That's more money made for me. All right? So I'm going to just give you some names of some incense that I have used that technique. I have made it and burned it. And I'm going to just give you some names of the ones that have actually had some good feedback. How you doing? Free samples of the oil. I got the bills. I'm going to get 2 for 5. All right? Queen Latifah, that's one. Queen Latifah. I made it one day and I burned it. Hey, now, I made the incense and I burned it one day, and a lady who works here, she's like, it smells really good. What is that? I said, Queen Latifah. She said, it smells really good. All right, Queen Latifah, that's a good one for the incense. How you doing, sir? All right. Got the incense. It's a pink sugar right there. Malaysian jasmine, good seller. Maple syrup, myrrh.
How much is?
You get 10 sticks for $1. You get the whole pack for 5. It's like 70, 75 sticks in there. Let me let you smell.
Okay, Joe, I'm coming right now, man.
This is also another technique. Make sure you let them smell the incense too. That's very important. How you like that? And that's the one that just got done burning. You can probably still smell the aroma in the air.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me have 10. Let me have 5 of these and 5 of those.
5 and 5?
Right.
Sure.
That's $1, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
How's your day going so far?
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
And give me a tub of
All right. $2. It's about that time for the shea butter. It's about to get cold.
Yeah. What soap is this?
Oh, that's the raw black soap right there. Raw black soap that's good for pimples, acne, eczema, dry skin, even diaper rashes for the baby. That's real nice.
Yeah. How much is this?
That's $5 right there. That's raw too. Okay. No artificial ingredients, no ingredients added to it.
Okay.
All right, here you go. All right. Here's my card too.
Okay.
Okay, so Queen Latifah is the one that smells really good. I got a lot of good feedback from that. Of course, sandalwood is always a good one that I get a lot of feedback from. How's it going now? I got a fragrance that I made myself. I call it River of Pleasure. I got a lot of good feedback. Matter of fact, that's probably the best incense that I not just made, but at the same time, this incense smells so good to me. So good to me. One time, because I had first made the oil, then I made it into the incense, and then when I burned it, when I smelled it, to be honest, it made me immobile. It immobiled me. I was actually writing some labels. I was writing on my labels, and it had me stuck for a good 4 or 5 seconds. It smells so good. It smells really good. How you doing?
What's up, man?
All right, got the free samples for you. I got that polo over here.
Thanks, man. We straight right now.
All right. So Queen Latifah is a good one. Then I got like Amber Romance by Victoria's Secret. Got a lot of good feedback from that one. Malaysian Jasmine, got a lot of good feedback. That's my top seller right now. Pink Sugar, a lot of good feedback from that one. What is another good one? Kush, a lot of good feedback from that one. All right, I can go on and on with the list, but I'm just giving you a few. Red Egyptian Musk. All right, Black Love. So Egyptian Amber, Golden Sand. So what you do is you pretty much just be experimental, and you experiment different oils, making it to the incense, making it to the incense, and let it dry and actually burn it. And customers, I mean, it will speak for itself. This is what you let the customers make the call on this one. All right, you don't make the call. You let them make the call on this one, because if it smells good, they're gonna buy it. All right. This is your guy Issa. Welcome to this is your guy Issa. This is lesson 67, which is finding the right incense. Thank you.